I am here on the street level and looking at the iconic bridge connecting the one side of the mountains to the other in the Hoover Dam. Below you can see that the water is being saved for generation of electricity, and I also will show you that there is a big Hoover Dam building where people are standing. Apparently it was built during the time frame of 1931 to 1935, that part of the Hoover Dam. And I am now approaching the iconic tower that I will zoom in to let you see that currently the time is almost 1 p.m. This is Nevada time. If I walk further, then I will see the other time zone in Arizona. So it's a wonderful day, and there are many structures in the mountain for getting the water to be used and generated for electricity. So isn't it beautiful? And I have not yet and this is the road that is for visitors to drive through this bridge to connect to it. And I am going to pan in to show you the depth of the water underneath there to generate electricity. And see, in the distance you will see the a different time zone for Arizona, but it's quite far away.